Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Mac computer, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you compress a TIFF file on your Mac for free? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to compress a TIFF file with your Mac anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you have to submit applications or documents in TIFF file, but they're required to be under a certain threshold as far as the file size. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mac computer. This is not anything that you need to buy. It's an application that's already included on your Mac for free. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've pulled up a TIFF file right here on my Mac computer. If we scroll over to the right, you can see it's a TIFF image, and then we can also see the size is 75 megabytes. So what we can do in order to compress this, you're going to right click on it and you're going to open. This should open with preview. If not, click here, open with, and then click on preview. Okay, so here is the image. Now, in order to compress this image, what you're going to do is click up here in tools. Once you do that, click on adjust size. Okay, so now we can see that this one is 3000 by 4000 pixels. And generally what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these checked: scale proportionally and resample image. And what I'm going to do is click here on custom, and then I'm going to do the next largest size underneath what it currently is. So it's 3000 by 4000. Let me go ahead and choose 1920 by 1920. Okay, immediately it's going to show you the resulting size if you want. So it's going to decrease and compress by 47.6%. And the old size was 73 megabytes. This drops it down to 16 megabytes. So you're going to lose some of the quality. That's just unfortunately what happens when you compress TIFF files. So if you want to see what it looks like, you click on OK. Okay, now you can see that it compressed the file. So it's much smaller. So let me close this out. Okay, now you can see our TIFF file right here. And if we scroll to the right, it's now 25.2 megabytes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to compress a TIFF file with your Mac for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.